Hello fellow photographers. Today we're going to be talking about what is your camera's light meter and how do you use it. Let's get started. Alright, so when you're looking through your viewfinder or on the top of your LCD screen, you will see a light meter. You will know that is what it is because it will have a plus and a minus on either side of it with a bunch of lines in between and a larger one right in the middle. If the lines are all the way to the left, then it's going to let you know that you're not letting in enough light. If the lines are all the way to the right, it's letting you know that you're letting in too much light to your camera sensor. While the center is going to be the properly exposed settings. Now this isn't perfect because it's gathering light from all over the sensor. Everything that the camera sees is pulling light sources from. Now there are settings in a lot of the newer cameras that you can do a spot meter. And that is where whatever your camera is focusing on is what is going to be pulling the light from in that area so it can tell you if that part of your image is going to be exposed properly. I personally just keep it on center weighted area 8mm because 99% of the time this is going to get you where you need to be. This will meter the area you're focusing on and will generally give you the best results. The exceptions are when you're going to have deep shadows in the image as well as having bright highlights. Your light meter might not be able to give you a proper setting at this point. You can compensate by utilizing the LCD screen on your digital camera to try to bring both the shadows and the highlights to a neutral area, but to get both the shadows and the highlights where you want them to be will usually require something like an HDR photo to be taken and blended together. I will get to that in a later video, but for now, using the light meter will get you where you need to be almost all of the time. And always take advantage of the preview screen on the back of your camera when you're shooting digital to make sure that the settings are giving you the image you want when you're dialing in your settings. Obviously, looking at your screen every time you take your picture will cause you to miss some shots. But when you're first getting your settings dialed in, then this is the best time to take advantage of the LCD preview screen and take a look at it then. And make sure you're happy with the settings you choose. Have fun shooting, and I'll see you next week.